Paradise clearance. Good morning, Air China 7211. Ready for pushback at Charlie 1. Paradise Tower. Good morning, Astral 90376 is on approach. Astral 90376 cleared to land runway 35. Air China 7211 cleared for pushback. Paradise Ground. Air China 7211 ready to taxi. Air China 7211 taxi to runway 35.
Paradise clearance. Good morning.
Paradise Ground. Astral 90376 taxi to the gates. Paradise Tower. Air China 7211 ready for takeoff runway 35.
ABAX 4834 cleared to land runway 35.
Air China 7211 cleared for takeoff runway 35. Astral 90376 requesting taxi to the gates. Astral 90376 taxi to gate Charlie 2.
Paradise clearance. Good morning. Cedar Jet 5767 ready for pushback at Alpha 3. Cedar Jet 5767 cleared for pushback. Paradise Tower.
Paradise Ground, ABAX 4834, taxi to the gates. ABAX 4834, taxi to gate Charlie 1.
Cedar Jet 5767 taxi to runway 35.
Paradise Tower, good morning. LATAM 2676 is on approach. LATAM 2676 clear to land runway 35.
Paradise clearance. Good morning. UPS 4255. Ready for pushback at Charlie 4. UPS 4255. Cleared for pushback.
Paradise Tower, Cedar Jet 5767, ready for takeoff runway 35.
Paradise ground. UPS 4255. Ready to taxi.
Cedar Jet 5767, line up and wait runway 35.
UPS 4255. Taxi to runway 35.
Paradise Tower, good afternoon. All Nippon 1912 is on approach.
Paradise clearance. Good afternoon. Air Canada 8901. Ready for pushback at Alpha 4.
Cedar Jet 5767, cleared for takeoff runway 35. All Nippon 1912, cleared to land runway 35.
LATAM 2676, taxi to gate Alpha 3.
Air Canada 8901. Cleared for pushback.
Paradise Tower. UPS 4255. Ready for takeoff runway 35.
Paradise Tower, good afternoon.
Air Canada 8901. Taxi to runway 35.
Paradise clearance, good afternoon. Paradise ground, all Nippon 1912, taxi to the gates. All Nippon 1912, taxi to gate Charlie 4.
UPS 4255, cleared for takeoff runway 35.
Paradise ground.
Paradise Tower, Air Canada 8901, ready for takeoff runway 35. Air Canada 8901, cleared for takeoff runway 35.
Ready for pushback at Bravo 2. Lost 9905, cleared for pushback.
Snow Tower. Good morning. American 7742 is on approach.
Snow clearance. Good morning. Etihad 7625 ready for pushback at Bravo 2.
American 7742 cleared to land runway 10.
Etihad 7625 cleared for pushback.
Catville clearance. Good evening. Astral 7729, ready for pushback at Charlie 3.
Capital Tower, good evening.
Astral 7729er, cleared for pushback. Catville ground, Astral 7729er, ready to taxi. Astral 7729er, taxi to runway 35, left.
Capital Tower, good evening. World 4904 is on approach.
Capital clearance, good evening. Wiz 8845 ready for pushback at Bravo 3. Capital ground.
World 4904 cleared to land runway 35 left.
Catville Tower, Astral 7729er, request to cross runway. Astral 7729er, continue taxi.
Wiz 8845 cleared for pushback.
Catville ground, Astral 7729er, with you. Catville Tower, Astral 7729er, ready for takeoff runway 35, left.
Capital ground, Wiz 8845 ready to taxi. Capital Tower.
Capital ground, World 4904 taxi to the gates. Capital clearance, good evening. Kestrel 6475 ready for pushback at Bravo 1.
Wiz 8845 taxi to runway 35 left.
Kestrel 6475 cleared for pushback.
Capital Tower, good evening. Emirates 90444 is on approach.
Astral 7729er, cleared for takeoff runway 35, left.
Emirates 90444 cleared to land runway 35 right.
Capital ground.
World 4904 taxi to gate Bravo 3. Capital ground, Kestrel 6475 ready to taxi. Kestrel 6475 taxi to runway 35 left. Capital Tower, World 4904 request to cross runway.
Wiz 8845 continue taxi. Wiz 8845 hold position.
Emirates 90444 is going around.
Capital ground, Wiz 8845 with you.
Capital clearance, good morning. Air Canada 7883 ready for pushback at Bravo 2.
Capital Tower, good morning. Lufthansa 3964 is on approach.
Capital Tower, Kestrel 6475 request to cross runway. Kestrel 6475 continue taxi. World 4904 continue taxi.
Lufthansa 3964 clear to land runway 35 right.
Capital ground, World 4904 with you. Capital ground, Kestrel 6475 with you.
Air Canada 7883 cleared for pushback.
Kestrel 6475 cleared for takeoff runway 35 left.
FadeX 6889er cleared for pushback. Capital Tower, Wiz 8845 ready for takeoff runway 35 left. Wiz 8845 cleared for takeoff runway 35 left.
Capital ground, Air Canada 7883 ready to taxi. Air Canada 7883 taxi to runway 35 left.
Capital ground.